If you're caught driving 100 miles per hour or more on a California freeway by the CHP, that action could result in the permanent loss of your driving privilege. Hi, I'm Matthew Kraut. I'm coming to you from the law office of Matthew Kraut today to tell you about a new pilot program that is being conducted in coordination between the California Highway Patrol and the California Department of Motor Vehicles. The pilot program is called the Forwarded Actions for Speeding Tickets, or FAST, and as I said, is a joint effort by the CHP and the California DMV to take immediate action against dangerous drivers to deter the kind of speeding that has led to a dramatic increase in traffic-related deaths on California freeways for the past 15 years. The way this pilot program works is that every driver who is ticketed by the CHP for driving faster than 100 miles per hour will have their citation automatically forwarded to the DMV's Driver Safety Branch for review. The DMV Driver Safety Branch then has the discretion based on its review to impose penalties against the driver that include the suspension or permanent revocation of that person's driving privilege. Now, here's the key part. This law applies to all drivers, regardless of their driving record. So, you risk losing your license for good if you drive 100 miles per hour or faster on a California freeway, even if it's your first citation. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that this sanction is independent and in addition to any action taken by the court, which under current law has the authority to suspend your license for up to 30 days if you are convicted in court of driving 100 miles per hour or faster on a California freeway. Now, some questions arise in my mind about this new pilot program. The first is, what are the criteria the DMV uses in its review of the citation to determine its punishment? And does the person that is hit with the suspension have the right to contest it through some kind of DMV hearing, or do they have to take the DMV to court under some type of writ of administrative mandamus? And finally, as I said, this is a pilot program, so it's new. I'll be keeping an eye on it, and we'll post updates, especially as to those questions I pose as they become available. Meanwhile, if you want to discuss this or anything related to a criminal case that you or a loved one may be involved with, feel free to reach out to me at the law office of Matthew Kraut. You can call me at 805-723-0711, or you can visit me on the web at www.matthewkraut.com. Thank you and Happy New Year.